स्वागतं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य नवमः पाठः अनुवर्तते अस्माभिः। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओं तत्सत्। अस्तु, तु अस्माभिः ह्यस्तनकक्ष्यायाम् अन्ते सुभाषितमिदं पठितं, परन्तु अर्थवत् न ज्ञातं संपूर्णतया। अस्य वृत्तिविषये छन्दविषये किञ्चित् ज्ञानं प्राप्तवन्तः। इदानीम् अद्य तस्य साक्षात् अर्थं किम् इति ज्ञातुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः। अत्र लिखितमेव अस्ति। प्रथमतया यथापूर्वं सन्धि विभजनं किञ्चिदस्ति वा इति दृष्ट्वा अग्रे सरामः। भोगे सप्तमी एकवचन, रोगभयं प्रथमा विभक्ति, कुले च्युतिभयं, वित्ते नृपालात् भयं। सो नृपालात् इत्यत्र पञ्चमी अस्ति। सप्तमी पञ्चमी प्रथमा, वित्ते नृपालात् भयं। भयम् अस्ति इति अध्याहरणं कर्तव्यम् अस्माभिः, करणीयम् अस्माभिः। भयम् इति नपुंसके प्रथमा एकवचने। माने दैन्यभयं, बले रिपुभयं, रूपे जराया भयं। पुनः अत्रापि जरायाः भयम् इति आफ् दि ओल्ड् एज्। सो षष्ठी एकवचने अस्ति, अथवा पञ्चमी इति, पञ्चमी इत्येव, स्त्रियां पञ्चमी इत्येव। तदनन्तरं शास्त्रे वादिभयं, गुणे खलभयं, काये कृतान्तात् भयम्। अत्र नृपालात् भयम् अपि च कृतान्तात् भयम् इत्यत्र जस्त्वं द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः। नृपालाद् भयं, सो दकारः आगमिष्यति तकारस्य स्थाने नृपालाद् भयं, कृतान्तात् भयं। सर्वं वस्तु, जरायाः इत्यत्र विसर्गलोपः दृश्यते। सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि, नृणां वैराग्यम् एव अभयम्। एव अभयम् इत्यत्र सवर्णदीर्घसन्धिः द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः। वैराग्यम् एव इत्यत्र सामान्यसंयुक्ताक्षरस्य प्रसक्तिः भवति, तत्र नास्ति सन्धिः। तो एवं द्विस्थलद्वये जष्ट्वम्, एकत्र सवर्णदीर्घसन्धिः, अत्र तत्र विसर्गलोपः दृष्टम् अस्माभिः। तु अत्र किं कृतमस्ति? नृपालात् भयं जष्ट्वा, जरायाः भयं विसर्गलोपः, कृतान्तात् भयं जष्ट्वा, एव अभयं सवर्णदीर्घसन्धि. So we were able to identify all this. Okay, so that is good for how we go about analyzing that. Now the sentences are very straightforward. Though it's a very longish subhashitam, it's pieces and pieces of information, fairly easy. Bhoge roga bhayam bhavati. Bhavati is better than asti, so I'm using bhoge roga bhayam bhavati. When we are in the joy of consumption, bhoga, you see this person. Okay, bhoge roga bhayam. When we are, enjoying the joys of consumption, materialistic life, roga bhayam bhavati. There is fear of illness in such a life. Okay, kule চ্युति bhayam. Kule च्युति bhayam. This picture will explain it very nicely. Okay, kula is a collection. That means the clan is literally a word from kula. So the clan to which you belong, family, extended family, your neighborhood, your nation, anything. Okay, many identities can define the kula. চ্युति bhayam. What is च्युति? That means you are the one, the black sheep in the kula, like that. Okay, so there is this fear of failing the collective. That is च्युति. Okay, So this one. Okay. Vitte nrupalat bhayam bhavati. Vitte in money matters. Okay. Nrupalat from the king, and in today's world from the government. Bhayam, there is fear. So if you accumulate too much wealth, then there is fear of the government. Okay, that means because if you are not paying your dues, then there is that fear. We know this very, very correctly today. Mane dainya bhayam. Okay. So when we want to maintain certain status and mana sthana, we say mana sthana. So when we want to maintain certain position of pride in the society, then there is this fear of having dainya bhava. So suppose one day the Shri deserts us and then we have to beg for survival, day-to-day survival. That fear exists. When we become too proud, there is fear of shame, right? Very, very beautiful analysis. See, this is not very easy, the psychoanalysis of this. Mane dainya bhayam. Okay, when we are too proud, there is fear of being lajjavan, right? We are afraid to ask. Okay, that is also a bad type of bhaya. Anyway, bale ripu bhayam. When we are strong, there is the fear of the enemy, because people are always despising those who are strong and trying to cut their knees. Huh? Bale ripu bhayam. Rupe, see, nobody much, as long as we were tagged as a poor, hungry nation, not good for anything, not much bothered us. Now everybody is trying to cut our knees. Huh? Our nation is suffering this. Rupe jarayaha bhayam. Okay. In beauty, there is fear of old age. I don't need to say much. We'll leave it at that. Shastre vadi bhayam bhavati. And in when we say, hey, we are the pandits, we have learned things. That means we have become shastris. In Shastra, there is the fear of the vadi. Who is a vadi? One who argues. Okay, so we can claim we are Shastra Nipunas only if we can win over in justifiable arguments, right? So there is always fear of people coming forward to argue with you if you claim to be a Pandit. Next, Gune Kalabayam. This is very nice too. Okay, so Khalabayam is not easy one. Let us look at how they have translated. Gune Khalabayam. Virtue has the fear of rumors spread by wicked men. Okay, so Khala is infamy brought about by uh, something like a Twitter comment. Okay, so Gune Khalabayam. When we want to establish ourselves, oh, I have supreme character, then there is the fear of the 140 characters. I, I think the modern ones here understood that. What is the fear of the 140 characters? But yeah, so for the some of those of us who are from not this modern era, 140 characters stands for a Twitter message. Okay, fear of that is there in those who pride themselves in their character. We can turn English against itself. Kaye kritantat bhayam. Okay, kaye. Okay, body. Okay, kritanta is krita anta. Krita anta, the end that is done. See how beautiful this word is. The end that is done, achieved. Okay, so for body there is fear of death. Very clear. Okay, if we identify ourselves too much with our body, then we are always living in the fear of its termination. Okay, this is the essence of our philosophy, right? We try to detach ourselves from the body. This fear is called abhinivesha. In Vedantic terms, this fear of death is called abhinivesha. Okay, the first thing we have to overcome is that fear. Then only we can rise above the body. Okay, kaye kritantat bhayam, beautiful one. Sarvam vastu bhayanvitam bhuvi. Bhuvi can be taken in both directions. Sarvam bhuvi, in on the earth, upon this earth, or even this universe, perhaps. Sarvam vastu bhayanvitam. Every single thing we can aspire for is filled with fears. It's filled with oppositions, contradictions. So many the Kavi has described. No argument with him. Nrinam vairagyam eva abhayam. There is only one that is fearless, that doesn't have any kind of fear or opposition to it. Vairagya. When we give up the desire and attain the state of vairagya, then there is no fear, because all these things described above, they are raga bhavas. They are all ragas. Bhoga, kule stanamanam, vittam, manam, balam, rupam, shastram, gunam, शरीराकाङ्क्षाः, एतत् सर्वं रागाः, एते सर्वे रागाः भवन्ति. एतानि सर्वाणि रागानि भवन्ति, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट द लिंग वी आर एसोसिएटिंग, बिकॉज ए होल कलेक्टिव. ओके, सो वैराग्यम एव अभयम. ब्यूटिफुल वर्स. सो any Bhagini who has good expertise in reading, some new volunteers I want. Some have read so far. Anybody who wants to try their hand, who are hiding behind the talent that is hiding behind Latas, please come forward. Very silent group.
Sir, can I?
हाँ madam, please you can. हाँ
18th one, sir.
हाँ 17th one. Once we will read it in a good. हाँ भोगे रोग भयम.
Okay. भोगे रोग भयं कुले च्युति भयं वित्ते नृपालाद् भयं माने दैन्य भयं बले रिपु भयं रूपे जराया भयं शास्त्रे वादी भयं गुणे खल भयं काये कृतान्ताद् भयं सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणां वैराग्यमेवा भयम्.
Wonderful. Thanks Bhagini. So this lovely Subhashita. Actually it's a whole Vedanta hidden in there in that Subhashita. Okay. So you guys can read this word for word. We have pretty much done this. Anvitam, bhayanvitam means it is like okay, they have translated it as a cause for fear. Okay, so filled with fear, or is a genesis of fear. That sense has been taken in the Anvitam. Okay. In enjoying worldly pleasures, there is the fear of disease. A reputed family has the fear of disrepute. চ্যুতি, disrepute, beautiful. Abundance of wealth causes the fear of king and government. They translated it for the modern era. Self-respect has the fear of having to beg. So wonderful. Power has the fear of enemies. Beauty has the fear of old age. Learning has the fear of an opponent. Here arguer. Okay, opponent in the sense of somebody who can argue, not try and hit us. Today Panditya is being fought with the bullet, sadly. Virtue has the fear of rumors spread by wicked men. And our body is in constant fear of death. Thus everything in this world, for everything in this world, there is some fear or the other for men. Only when one renounces everything, there is no fear. Okay. So let us take this verse. Anybody wishes to volunteer to read this?
पठामि महोदय.
हाँ, प्रयत्नं करोतु भगिनी. पठतु.
आशानामनदी मनोरथ जला तृष्णा तरङ्गाकुला रागग्राहवती वितर्क विहगा धैर्यद्रुमध्वंसिनी मोहावर्त सुदुस्तरातिगहना प्रोतुङ्गचिन्तातटी तस्याः पारगता विशुद्धमनसो नन्दन्ति योगीश्वराः.
अद्भुतं. पुनः एकवारं भगिनी.
आशा नाम नदी मनोरथ जला तृष्णा तरंगाकुला रागग्राहवती वितर्क विहगा धैर्यद्रुमध्वंसिनी मोहावर्त सुदुस्तरातिगहना प्रोतुङ्गचिन्तातटी तस्याः पारगता विशुद्धमनसो नन्दन्ति योगेश्वराः. धन्यवादः.
Lovely, adbhutam, very nicely done. Thanks both the
धन्यवादः.
beginnings for rendering today. See, now this one is very, very, very closely coupled to the sense of the previous one. Okay, it's a slightly different directions. It's also a beautiful Subhashitam, not the run-of-the-mill standard one line type of thing. Quite detailed. So this is describing, equating desire to a river. Okay, with lots of dangers. Okay, see this river called Asha. Okay, has lots of dangers, and it is extorting us to become those who cross that river without falling into its danger using yogic practices. Okay, that doesn't necessarily mean sitting and doing adhyayana like this person. Of course, that's part of the whole show, but by not falling to the traps of these desires, more importantly. Okay, so wonderful verse, actually. I loved it. So I took a lot of time to construct this pictorial from various pieces of pictures. Okay, Asha Nama Nadi Manoratha Jala. Okay, so first he starts off by titling Asha as a Nadi. Okay, the river with the name Asha, she is so and so and so and so and so. He goes on. Okay, Manoratha Jala. Again, it's a Visheshana to Nadi only, or you can say to Asha Nadi. So Manoratha Jala, her water is like our greeds, wishes. Greeds is Trishna. So Manoratha is our wishes. So her water is like our wishes. So she embodies the wishes in her water. The Asha, the Nadi named Asha, she embodies our wishes in her waters. Waters, I should extend it. Okay. So this is a Visheshana. Manoratha Jala Nadi, Asha Nadi. Okay. Trishna Taranga Kula Nadi. Okay. Trishna, which is greed. Okay. Desire, which is unholy. Taranga, waves. Akula. Okay. Taranga Akula is the up and down movement of the waves. Okay. Akulata means some kind of a wavy motion or upsetting motion, non-steady. Let us take it as non-steady wave. Okay. So the desires, greedy desires are like unsteady waves in that Manoratha Jala, in that Asha Nadi. What a beautiful upama. Okay. Raga Grahavati Vitarka Vihaga. Okay. So Raga, we know, is desire. Graha is capture. Vati, such a lady. So Raga Grahavati. So the Nadi is a capturer of our desires. Okay. That sense. Okay. Vitarga Vihaga. That means she is the various thoughts. Okay, vitarkas, tarka, vitarka, tarkas, various argumentations and thoughts are like the vihaga that fly over her, or like the water birds that are skimming her surface. Okay, so she, you can also say Raga Grahavati, you can separate as she is the grabber of our desires, that kind of thing. Okay, how they have expanded this. The thoughts too. Okay, greed is like the waves, passion is the crocodile. Oh, Grahavati is translated. Here I have it in the picture. Grahavati is grabber correctly, but it is applied to the lady crocodile who is sitting in the river. Okay, so the lady crocodile who is sitting in the figure in the river. Okay, and so the river becomes Grahavati, one who contains Rahagraha one, if it is a male. Okay, so she is the one who contains, and that is the Raga, titled Raga. So she is there to capture our desires and capture us because of our desires, that kind of thing. So Vitarka Vihaga is a separate annotation for the birds skimming the surface of the river. Okay, as the various contradictory thoughts in us. Okay, dhairyam dhairya druma dvamsini. This one is a little difficult to read. This is druma. Okay, the repa ukara. Okay, druma. Druma is basically paryaya pada for vriksha. Dhairyam, actually dhairya druma is a samasta. So dhairya is like a tree that is destroyed in her shores. So one of the things in those who know fast flowing rivers of the monsoon, they know this very well. So a fast flowing river in the monsoon will erase the trees in her shore. She will just nullify them. So the Kavi is equating these trees along her shore to the steadfastness or the ability to face difficulty in our lives, our good quality of dhairya. And this Asha Nadi, who flows fast, is very easily able to destroy the such courage in us. So our steadfastness or courage is easily destroyed by this fast flowing river called Asha. She is a destroyer of the stronghold of trees of dhairya. Beautiful. Mohavarta sudustara ati gahana. Sudustara ati gahana. Sudustara ati gahana. Ati gahana means one who is very deep, right? Ati gahana, something that is very deep, significant, this kind of thing. Okay, but here before that we will see what is, again this is a visheshana to nadi only. Everything is in feminine, you see. Mohavarta sudustarati gahana. Mohavarta. Okay, moha, which is another bad quality in us, right? So lack of dhairya. In this case, it was lack of dhairya, but the dhairya is destroyed. So here moha is clearly, is directly a bad. Raga, moha, vitarka, trishna, all this manoratha. Okay, moha, avarta. Avarta means some when the river flows and hits rocks, it will create whirlpools, right? The whirlpools. That whirlpool is called avarta. Okay, so Sudustara Atigahana. It's very tough whirlpool of moha. So if we have our moha avastha will fall into whirlpools in her, or like whirlpools in the Asha river. Okay, and very difficult she is, and Atigahana she is, very deep she is. Okay, Proktunga Chinta Tati. Okay, this one is a little bit Prokta Proktunga pra uttunga, something like that. Pra upasarga uttunga. Uttunga means high type of thing. Pra uttunga chinta tati. So she has tata, as you know, means the shore. So she is tati. Nadi is tati, one with the shore. What kind of shore? Very high shore. Very high shore. Not easy to transcend. Thank you. Not very easy to transcend this shore, not climb across that shore. Anybody who has seen the migration of wildebeest in Africa know this fear of the high shores by the wildebeest. As these Grahavatis are waiting there to catch them. So apt scene. So
I have seen.
very good. I have only seen on TV. Anyway, pra uttunga tati. What kind of tati? Chinta tati. So the worries in our life are like the high shores of this river so difficult to climb out of the river from. Okay, what a beautiful simile. Protunga Chinta Tati. This is much different than other Subhashitam. Here, the Subhashitakara has not bothered to show Eva, Pava, and all those like this, like that. He has avoided all standard simile practices and focused on Samastapadas to construct the entire teaching as a quality of the river. Protunga Chinta Tati. Everything can be expanded from that single Samastapada. Tasyaha Paragataha Vishuddha Manasaha Nandanti Yogishwaraha. So here there is a Visarga Lopa, here is a Visarga Utva Guna. Tasyaha Nadyaha. We have to take Tasyaha as Nadyaha. Of that river, Paragataha, the ones who have crossed her shores. Param Gacchati means the one who crossed the shore, reach the other shore, like that. Okay. Vishuddha Manasaha. Nandanti Yogishwaraha. With a very cleansed mind, they are pleased, those who are Yogishwaras, those who are masters of their own destiny. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Asha Nama Nadi Manoratha Jala Trishna Tarangakula Gragagrahavati Vitarka Vihaga Dhairya Druma Dvamsini Mohavarta Sudustara Mohavarta Sudustarati Gahana Protunga Chinta Tati Tasyaha Paragata Vishuddha Manaso Nandanti Yogishwaraha. Highly packed, highly packed. Desire is a river, wishes are its water, greed is like the waves, passion is the crocodile, the thoughts to obtain various things are birds flying over it. They should use a little more colorful language, skimming the surface, the water bird skimming the surface. This river uproots the tree of courage. Ignorance is a whirlpool in this fathomless river. Beautiful translation. See, I like using depth of words like that. See, Atigahana, fathomless river which cannot be crossed. Okay. Sudustara, they given it as difficult to transcend or cross. Okay. Worries are its banks. Beautiful. Huh? Chinta Tati, Protunga. But I would make it a little more colorful. Huh? Worries are her high banks is better. Okay. Difficult to climb banks. Great sages who have crossed this river. So they have Yogishwaraha Paragataha, those who have crossed in that sense. Kta, right? Paragataha Yogishwaraha Vishuddha Manasaha Tasyaha Vishuddha Manasaha Tasyaha Katam iti Tasyaha Paragataha only is I can say. Tasyaha Yogishwaraha ye Tasyaha Paragataha santi te Vishuddha Manasaha Nandanti. They become happy with cleansed mind, by cleansed mind. Something like that. Blissful with a pure mind. So I have here the breakdown. Asha is Nadi, Manorataha Jalam, Trishna Tarangakula, Ragaha Grahavati, Vitarkaha Vihagaha. The thoughts of our mind are like the birds that fly, that skim the surface. Drumasya Vrikshasya Iva Dhairyasya Dvamsini. Okay. Moha Avartaha. So Moha is compared to the whirlpool. What a beautiful thing. It's a trap. Sudustara is with the Atigahanasa. Okay, that is just expanding the whole thing. Chinta is Prauttunga Tatam. Okay. Tasyaha Paragataha Vishuddha Manasaha Yogishwaraha Nandanti. Vishuddha is incorrectly spelled here. Leave it.
What is Protunga?
Prauttunga. Pra in a Prakrishta way. Uttunga high. Okay. Terribly high.
Sir, last line once again.
Yogishwaraha ये तस्याः पारगताः सन्ति ते विशुद्धमनसः नन्दन्ति. That way. So these Yogishwaras who have crossed her, who are the crossers of her, that sense, crossers of her, crossers because it is the associated with Yogishwaras, Paragataha, Tasyaha, of that river. That means those who have transcended Asha Nadi,
Yes.
yeah, that kind of sense. Okay.
Lovely picture.
Thanks, Bhagini. Lovely verse. No, picture is nothing. Just sometimes I write it to enjoy and help myself and fill the space nicely. And also, like I always tell, for your granddaughter to stop by and take interest in Sanskritam.
Yes, yes.
Make sure you keep them on your lap, the youngest ones.
This they can't ask in the exam.
Huh?
They won't ask this in the exam because it will take a long time to.
They will
write
ask. The time is for you to spend, so they will ask.
it.
Be ready. It's a beautiful Subhasit,
Yeah.
not the run of the mill. It's even more beautiful than the previous one. Very colorful. You can see
Sir,
the
one question.
Panditya in constructing these things. Yes, Bhagini.
There is a similar verse in Gita Dhyanam. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadrata Jala. Very similar.
Yeah.
Nice.
Compared to a dangerous river, and
Yes.
the Pandavas are able to cross this because of the boat ferryman that is Keshava. Very similar kind of.
That's in Bhagavatam.
And Jayadratha Karna or Makaras.
No, it is Gita Dhyanam.
Yeah.
It is Gita Dhyana Shlokam.
Yes,
Actually,
yes.
it is written by this Madhusudana Saraswati ji in his Gita Bhashya, which is used as a Gita Dhyana Shloka.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Can the lady kindly, if she has reference to it, kindly read it sometime?
Yeah, I can send it.
May I read? May I read, Mahodaya?
Not this
please.
Stotra Bhagini, whatever she is telling.
Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadrata Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashvattama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhanavartini Sotirna Khalu Pandavairananadi Kaivartaka Keshavaha.
Wow. Actually, it is completely taken inspiration from this Subhashita and applied it to the Pandavas in a lovely way.
The other way around.
Yes.
All the images are there.
Maybe other way around.
We don't know. Depends on what is older than what. What is the first.
Madam, can you send it in the WhatsApp?
Yeah. Yes, madam.
She will send. Yeah. Thanks, Bhagini.
Sure.
Thanks for enhancing our knowledge today about this word. So let's move forward.
Even somewhere in the net,
Even
I
in
found a
any
beautiful
Gita-
meaning.
Yeah, Gita recitation book, it will be there in the first page. Dhyana Shloka.
Yeah, it is in the
Gita
beginning.
Sopanam. Gita Sopanam, it is the 5th verse in Dhyana Shloka.
Oh, okay. Good.
Sir, one quick question. Sir, Tasya. So Tasya, you said it can refer to the Nadi or it can refer to the Yogeshwara also. Now,
No. Because it is in feminine, right? It is not tasya. It is tasyaha, sitayaha, tasyaha. Okay. So it is Shashti Ekavachana Strilinga. So it can only go with Asha Nama Nadi.
Okay. So if it was Tasyaha, then it would have gone with
There is no
Yogeshwara.
there is no tasyaha. There is tasya pullinga.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you.
But there is no case for. Let's complete his question, Bhagini. Let's help him. He's struggling with some grammar points, so let's go with that. So Nadyah Paragataha Yogishwaraha. The Paragataha title comes to the Yogishwaras because of Nadi having the para. They have crossed the river. So the crossers of the river, paragataha tasyaha nadyaha, that way. Okay. I hope you appreciate the grammar there.
Yes, please. Yeah, thank you.
Varye, what was your question?
No, this is, you're saying tasyaha paragata means her, like as a female, right? Paragata.
Paragataha is pullinga bahuvachana kta pratyaya prayoga for yogishvaraha. Paragataha is a visheshana for yogishvaras. Tasyaha is a reference to nadyaha. Nadyaha nama asti asha iti. Ashayaha ityapi svikartum shaknumaha. Okay.
Okay. No, I was telling I got a very nice meaning in Google written by some Swami. Should I read it? But there's no time, I think.
I think will move forward. We'll move forward. Lack of time. Maybe you can post it. And generally, I request one thing in WhatsApp group. Please avoid this namaskara, clap, thank you. Totally not needed. Whoever is writing knows that if they are sending something good, they are appreciated. If not, let it be a secret that people didn't appreciate it. Okay. So no need to waste 8 messages on sending claps. Please kindly avoid that. Let's be a little mature audience on our WhatsApp group. So because I get disappointed that it's having a lot of unnecessary messages sometimes. Okay. It is not good for me to block you guys. I want to keep it open, but at that same time request you to not send unnecessary stuff. Okay. Kavya Katha. Arjunasya tapasaha pariksha. So let me pick some volunteers to read. Madhukar, Varya, Madhukar.
Sir, he has gone outside.
Oh,
I'm here.
Oh, you're also a student, madam?
No, but out of interest, I am sitting. I have completed all Shiksha Kovida exams.
Oh, okay.
On his account.
Okay, Bhagini. Then thanks for guiding him into this path. That's good.
Just his friend has come. He is outside.
No
Shall
problem.
I call him?
No problem. Don't disturb him. Let him be fine. You can follow the recording later. Meera Bhagini. Meera Bhagini. Meera. Meera Bhagini. Unmute yourself kindly. I think you are unmuted. Oh no, she disappeared. Okay, leave it. Maybe she's having some technical difficulty. Let's call upon Karthikeyan Varya.
Yes, sir.
Please kindly read from Kavya Katha onwards a couple of paragraphs.
Arjunasya tapasaha parisha.
The test of Arjuna's tapas, his austerity practice. Continues.
Apsarastriyaha indrasya samibirjuna jayam uktavatyah.
Apsarastriyaha. Look, this is a visarga in the middle of a word. Right? Apsarastriyaha. Okay. The lady queens of the heaven. I don't know how to translate it in English. Of Indra, the near Indra, Arjunasya Indriya Jayam Uktavatyah. Feminine Bahuvachana. Uktavati, Uktavatyah. So they conveyed the victory of Arjuna over his Indriyas to Indra. Basically telling, look, we failed. We tried all our Hava, Bhava, Kataksha, everything. He was an Achala. So we failed. That's what they told him. Continue, sir.
Indro vartam shrutva sandushtah.
Indra, listening to this news, hearing this news, he became a happy fella.
Punarjunasya parisham kartum sa aichat.
Punararjunasya. There is double.
Punararjunasya parisham kartum sa aichat.
So he wished to test Arjuna again. Punaha Arjunasya repa visargasya repa sandhi. Punaha Arjunasya pariksham kartum tumun. Saha Indraha, that is Aichat, desired.
Ataha sa Munivesham Dhridavan.
Therefore, he, the dress of a muni, he wore, became a fellow who wore the dress of a muni. Saha visargalopaha.
Tapovanam Gatavan.
He went to the forest, Indrakila Parvata, if you remember. That's where he went.
Muner Darshanena Arjunaha Prapavitaha.
By the appearance, or the appearance is a weak word.
Seeing Muni.
Seeing
the Muni.
Seeing the Muni, yeah. But seeing the Muni, by the appearance of the Muni, I am going literal a little bit. By the appearance of the Muni, by being Ena and of being Munehe, Shashti Ekavachana. Arjunaha, this our Arjuna, Prabhavitaha, became a fellow who was influenced, impressed. Continue, sir.
Sa Munehe Puja Salkaram Kritavan.
Saha Arjunaha, Visargalopa, Munehe, of the Muni, Muni Shabda, you see. So, Hari Shabda, Harehe, Munehe. Puja Samskaram, the standard practice of offering Arghya, Padya, all those things, hand cleansing, feet cleansing, all those things.
Puja Satkaram.
Puja Satkaram. So doing generally whenever such a elderly person visits, whatever is done, that kind of karya he did. Kritavan, he did. Continue, sir.
Asane Ubaveshtum Munim Prarthitavan.
He invited him to, or asked him. Prarthana means he respectfully asked him to sit. I don't know what seat he had. Another rock, I guess. So that's good. Continue, sir.
Indraha asane ubavishtaha.
Indra sat down on that rock. Continue.
Sa tvam atuna tarunaha.
So saha here refers to Indraha, and so this is a style of opening. So saha blah 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 iti upadesham kritavan. See, it ends here. That saha ends here. Saha blah 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 iti upadesham kritavan. Okay. Tvam adhuna tarunaha. You right now are a young fella.
Yes. Tatapi tapascharasi.
Even despite that, tata api, savarna dirgha, tata api, despite you being young, tapaha acharasi. No, tapascharasi, no ang, there is no tapa, ang is not there. Tapaha charasi, charasi, the mula dhatu. Charana means to observe, to carry out. It's also in the sense of movement, but here it's in the sense of carrying out. Okay, so tapaha charasi. See, madhyama purusha, tvam charasi. Okay, so you are doing this austere practice despite being a young fella. Continue.
Ayam sandoshasya vishayaha.
This thing, see, others shabda. So this thing is a happy news. It's a news of happiness. See the style. News of happiness. Item of happiness. Continue.
Or it is a matter for...
matter of happiness. Matter of pleasure. Correct.
Yes. Ayam samsaro dukkamayaha.
This life, okay, is full of sorrow.
Ato viveginaha samsaranmoshamicchanti.
Ataha utva, visarga utva. Ataha, therefore, vivekinaha, those with awareness, ability to distinguish. Okay. Samsarat. Yes, Varya?
Sir, Madhukar, I am Madhukar speaking.
Oh, okay. Stand by, sir. I will call you next. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Vivekinaha. Samsarat, samsaran. Okay, so what has happened? Parasavarna. Samsaran moha. Makara is a panchama akshara. So takara's panchama akshara nakara has been invoked. Okay. So samsarat. Actually, first it goes to Jashtva, then goes to Parasavarna. Okay. Samsarat becomes samsarad, Dakara goes to Nakara. Ta, ta, da, dha, na. Samsaran, beautiful language. I so appreciate its sandhis. Okay. Samsaran moksham icchanti. So from...
Will be Anunasika Sandhina, sir. Not Parasavarana.
Only
No,
can go to
no.
Parasavarana. Only can go to Parasavarana, you're saying.
Can go to Parasavarana.
Correct. But
So
this
here
one
it
is
will be Anunasika.
Anunasika because it gets the Anunasika Varna of the Varga.
No.
I always get confused between the two because the result is same. Yeah. Things for I have to keep awake there. Samsarat moksham icchanti. So they desire the exit or the relief called moksha from this dukkha sagara called samsara, the bodily life. Continue, sir.
Tvam param mosham nechasi.
Okay, you do not desire that ultimate moksha. You are a young fella. You are not here like a Vriddha Yogeshwara looking at moksha, etc. Okay, obviously you seem to have some worldly desire in your tapas. Indra has no qualification to tell this to Arjuna. Okay, anyway, continue, sir.
Shatru Vijayam Abhilashasi.
You are doing this tapas for Shatru Vijaya. Shatrunam Prati Vijaya Praptyartham. Like that's how you have to take. Okay. So for victory over the enemy, you desire. Abhilashasi. Tvam Abhilashasi. Continue, sir.
Shatrunashena Parapidanam Bhavati.
By destruction of the enemy, it is like giving difficulty to another. Okay, so I don't know what he's pulling some vague argument here. Definitely not what Krishna will teach Arjuna, but he's Indra. So let us see what is the angle. There is some angle in Indra. Continue.
Parapidanam Pavasya Karanam.
So okay, if we think like this, our country will become nothing tomorrow. Parapidanam papasya karyam. So giving difficulty to another is like the cause of creating sin in you. Oh my God.
Ato Vijayecham Parityaja.
Therefore, give up this desire to win.
Mokshartham Prayatnam Kuru.
Desire for that ultimate samsara moksha. My God. Okay, it's all fine, but not coming from this Indra's mouth. That's all is our problem. Continue.
I am Indrakila Parvodo Ganga Tirosti.
Ganga Tiresti. So
I am
Indrakila
Parvodo Ganga Tiresti.
So you see again Visarga Utva and then Pararupasandhi, Purvarupasandhi. So I am Indrakila Parvataha. This Indrakila Parvata in the shore, upon the shore of Ganga, Saptami, Ganga Tire, Asti. Okay, I don't know what was this. He's just describing what is a fact by now. Okay.
Ataha Pavitraha.
Therefore, it is very holy. So now we know the reason for this sentence. So due to the Pavitrya of Ganga, even the Parvata is Pavitra.
Atra Moksha Praptihi Sulabhaha.
Sulabha.
Sulabha iti Upadesham.
Correct. So here in this Pavitra Sthala, Moksha Praptihi, Strilinga Pada, the obtainment of ultimate exit, okay, relief.
Easy.
Sulabha is easy. She is easy. Okay. Praptihi is a Strilinga Pada, so Sulabha. Iti Upadesham Kritavan. So he gave Upadesha to Arjuna. There was some truth also. If you see Indra's Upadesha to Arjuna, there is no untruth. So definitely he's not sitting there for moksha. But anyway, let us see.
At one place he says, "You are a young fellow, Taruna," all that. other side he says you try for moksha.
Exactly. He's completely contradicting his own words. At least the way they have put it here. He started out saying, moksha is not for you. You have some lovely, and then he say, no, that is wasteful. Your desire for Vijaya, become mumukshu. Sorry, become mumukshu. That's what he's telling in the end. It's a very contradictory path. Anyway, let us see. Dhanyavadaha Kartikeyan Varya. Madhukar Varya is back, I think, so he can read. Yes.
Yes, sir. अर्जुनः उक्तवान् त्वयोक्तं युक्तमेव किन्त्वहं न मोक्षमिच्छामि. पाण्डुराज
few sentences or one sentence at a time. Arjuna told Tvaya uktam tvayoktam. What is the sandhi? Guna sandhi. Okay. Tvaya uktam yuktam eva. This is simple samyoga. So the what is told by you is indeed true. Okay. Kintu aham kintvaham u plus a. So yan sandhi. Okay. So u plus a becomes v plus a va. So kintvaham yan sandhi with vakaradesha. Na moksham ichchami. I do not desire this ultimate exit.
पाण्डुराज पुत्रोऽहम् अर्जुनोऽस्मि.
Hold on. So let's break that down. Panduraja putraha aham. So I, who am the son of Panduraja, Arjunaha asmi. I am that Arjuna. In case there is some doubt in this Muni, Indra is Muni there. So he's explaining that he is a Kshatriya. Okay, and what is the background of his coming here for tapas? Continue, sir.
दुर्योधनोऽस्माकं सर्वस्वमपहृतं हृतवान्. सर्वस्वमप्यपहृतवान्.
Sarvasvamapi apahृतवान्. See how that sandhi twisted. Sarvasvamapyapahृतवान्. Sarvasvamapyapahृतवान्. Try to read it.
सर्वस्वमप्यहृतवान्.
One pa got missed.
सर्वस्वम् apyahृतवान्.
Apyapahृतवान्. This is a good tongue twister. So Duryodhanaha utva Duryodhanaha asmakam purvarupa. So this Duryodhana of our, okay, sarvasvam,
Another problem.
Sir, we cannot hear you, sir. Can the others hear, sir?
Sir, you are not audible.
We can't hear.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I too cannot hear
We
him.
can't hear.
It is cut on the sir's side only, I think.
When they send a message, you can hear. Message can be sent.
He'll be logging back.
Sent a message. UPS has failed from his side.
He has requested us to stand by.
Yes, he will be back.
I hope you guys are staying connected. Okay. I apologize. Lost power.
Yes, sir.
Just please stand by. I will reset up. Okay, I hope it will hold. Just give me a minute, please. Yeah. Okay, Mahodaya, reread that sentence where we were, I think. Yeah, I lost track of it.
Duryodhanosmakam sarvaswamapyapavృతవాన్.
Sarvasvam api apahritavan. So he stole everything that is ours.
Anena mamagrajo yudhishthiro dukkhataptah.
By this, anena, triga others shut down. So anena, etena, like that. Okay, mama agrajaha, my elder fella, that is the Yudhishthiraha. Again, he is actually saying Yudhishthiraha. Okay, utva. Dukkha taptaha, he is filled and wetted with dukkha. Tapta means like embodied, embodied, like immersed. Okay, in sorrow. Continues.
Tapasyam acharitum tasyajna vartate.
For conducting this tapasya of mine, acharana, acharitum, in order to conduct this tapasya, tasya agnya, his command, savarna dirgha, vartate, is there.
Indraha kshatriya kulasyeshta devah.
Indraha, in the fellow Indra, Kshatriya Kulasya, of the clan of Kshatriyas. Ishtadevaha, Kulasya Ishtadevaha, A Gunasandhi again. Okay. Ishtadevaha. The
Kulasi Ishtadev.
Kulasya. What is Kulasi? Kulasi is not there. Kule, right? Saptami ekavachana is Kule. No Kulasi.
Then it should be Kulasya Ishtadevaha.
Ishtadevaha. Kulasya Ishtadevaha. Guna Esh.
Okay, Gunasandhi. Okay.
Kshatriya Kulasya Ishtadevaha. The god that is desired by Kshatriyas. Okay, continues.
Tam aradhayitum ahamatragatah.
Tam, him. Okay, tam is him. Aradhayitum, to perform the aradhana. Aradhana is, the tapasya focused upon Indra. Okay, in order. Tum. Okay, tumun. Aham, I. Atra, here. Agatah. Savarna dirgha sandhi. Before that, there is a samyukta akshara. That's all. Aham, atra, agatah. I became a fellow who came here. Continue.
Mamagrajo dyote parajitah.
My elder fella, he was defeated in a Dyuta Krida. He was defeated in some bet. Mahodaya? Oh, did we lose him? Madhukar Mahodaya, are you there? Can someone else speak?
He's there, but we are not able to hear.
Oh, okay. I am able to hear. He is unmuted, but not able to hear anything. Something was lost. Okay, let's have someone else step in to help us out. Everybody.
Okay, may I read, sir?
Who is that wishing to read?
Ravindra.
Mahodaya, please read, sir. Please read.
Okay. Mamagrajo dyute parajitaha.
So he was defeated.
Draupadi mama dharma patni.
So Draupadi. One minute. Just will, in case somebody didn't get it, I want to explain some points with each sentence. Draupadi is my dharmic wife.
Duryodhano Rajasabhayam tasyaha vastrapaharanam karyatavan.
This Duryodhana in the court of the king, okay, Sabhayam, in the court of the king, Tasyaha, Draupadyaha, of Draupadi, Vastrapaharanam, the removal or the stealing of her cloth. Okay, karitavan, he got it done. See, this is a transferred work. Karitavan, not kritavan, karitavan. Continue, sir.
प्रेरणार्थक इदानीमपि दुर्योधनोऽस्मासु द्वेषं करोति.
Idanim api, even now, samyuktakshara. Duryodhanaha utva. This fellow Duryodhana, asmasu purvarupa, amidst us, amongst us. So dvesham karoti, he hates, he does hate. So this is a very peculiar Sanskrit style, you see. Rame mama bhakti asti, aham rame bhaktim sthapayami. This type. So when you have a bhava and you place that bhava upon another, then that other goes to saptami. So asmasu, amongst the Pandavas, amongst us, dvesham karoti, he places the he does hate, like that. Okay, continue.
अतः शत्रुस्सह अस्माभिः जेतव्यः.
Here you see the Shatru Saha is very interesting. Shatruhu Saha, Sattva, Sakara of Visarga.
Sir, it
Visarga
is
replaced.
शत्रुविजये ममाभिलाषः.
Okay, just I got lost because somebody else intervened and said something which I didn't understand. Let me translate this correctly now. Ataha, therefore, Shatruhu Saha, the enemy that he is, Asmabihi Jetavyaha, by us. Okay, Asmabihi, by us, Jetavyaha has to be won over. Continue, sir.
शत्रुविजये ममाभिलाषः.
In the victory of over the Shatru. So my desire is victory over the enemy. Continue, sir.
मोक्ष प्राप्तौ मम इच्छा नास्ति.
In the obtainment of relief from samsara, moksha, my desire is not there.
अहम इन्द्रस्यानुग्रहं सम्पादयामि.
I will obtain the grace of Indra. I will earn the grace of Indra. Sampadana means to earn. I will earn the grace of Indra.
अथवा जीवनं पर्वतेऽस्मिन् समापयामि इति.
So if either I will obtain that grace or I will close my life here, not for moksha I will wait. Okay, so it's kind of weird closure. Athava jivanam parvate asmin samapayami, or I will finish my life in this parvata, keep on doing japa for that. Thank you, Varya. Thanks for substituting.
Okay,
anybody else wishes
there was
to...
some internet disconnected here.
Sir. So you read this paragraph.
Can
sir,
I,
please.
sir?
No, let him just read this paragraph. He got cut off. Yeah.
Indrah Arjunasya vachanani shrutva santushtah.
Indra of Arjuna, these sentences, having heard, became a fellow who was happy.
Shivam uddishya tapah kartum suchayitva ahurasho jatah.
Adrushyo jatah. Correct. Shivam uddishya. So pointing to Shiva or intending towards Shiva. Uddesha means the target or the intent. So uddishya, intending Shiva. That means targeting Shiva, addressing Shiva is a better translation. Tapaha kartum, to conduct as austerity. Suchayitva, having indicated. Adrushyaha jataha, disappeared, became. That means Indra told him, okay, pray for Shiva. I can't do much here, I think, without saying that. Okay, but remember, Indra, Arjuna so far doesn't know it is Indra actually. It is Muni. Continue, Mahoday.
Is it Uddishya or Uddrisya?
Uddishya. Uddesha, Uddesha is there in all Indian languages. Same thing. Yeah. Continue.
Shivaradhanartham Arjunah katinam tapa eva kritavan.
For the sake of Aradhana of Shiva, Shivaradhanartham. See how compact. Arjuna, Katinam Tapaha, very difficult austerity indeed. Kritavan, he did.
Upavasam acharitavan.
We are not able to hear you, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ.
No, we are not able to hear sir also, no?
It's frozen.
No, this picture is frozen.
Connectivity.
Nadaswaram is there.
I think he has to read the sentence, same sentence again.
Charitawan.
Yeah. Let sir come.
Yes.
Only one more paragraph is there.
I think we can take break now, then once sir comes.
Now sir has come.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, why don't we take a 4-minute water break? I don't know what happened to my local UPS here. I am bypassing it now. It is just not surviving the glitches in power.
Okay, sir.
So please take a
Ashtu
4-minute
Mahodaya.
break. We will continue reading at around 12 in 3-4 minutes from now. It's 12:09 now. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Please take a break.
Mahodaya.
Sorry about this today.
Mahoday, can I ask a doubt till then?
Okay, I am hoping that we'll hold steady. Some weird situation here today, very low voltage, and the UPS is getting confused. So I have bypassed the UPS for now. Let's see how we survive.
Mahoday,
Mahoday,
can I ask a doubt?
please ask, madam. Yes.
What is the difference between Yogeshwara and Yogeshwaraha?
Good question. Yogishwarah, Yogishwarah, Yoga Ishwarah, Yogeshwarah bhavet kila. Tatra katham iti ahamapi vismitah.
Those who are yogi
Sir,
or
one is
sages
yoga
are called
ishvara.
as
Another
Yogeshwaraha and
But a plus
yoge.
e,
plus
beginis.
e
Her question
plus
is
e.
very straightforward. Yoga plus Ishvara becomes Yogeshwara. Okay. So her question is, how is E able to retain Ekara, not become Ekara in a
Because
guna?
yogi plus
Because
ishvara.
yogi plus Ishwaraha, Yogeshwaraha.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi va?
Yeah.
Oh, Yogi plus Ishvara. Very good. Very good.
Who have practiced yoga.
It is not exactly yoga plus Ishvara, yogi plus Ishvara. Okay. So yogi, another pratyayanta added to yoga to designate somebody as a yogi and then as also Ishvara. Yogi yaha Ishvaraha Yogishvaraha prayah. Hetvi bagini.
Yoge naam Ishvara.
न तथा योगी अपि ईश्वरः अपि योगीश्वरः तथा प्रायः ई प्लस ई सवर्ण दीर्घ.
Yes.
Got it. Thank you so much, Mahodaya.
Good doubt, Bhagini. See, it didn't occur to me at that time. And other elder Bhaginis here are very alert. They can help us. Okay.
Sir, somewhere I have read Yogeshwara refers to Shiva and Yogeshwara refers to Krishna.
Okay. Perhaps. But we know it is very subtle difference. Such Rudy may be there. Okay. But here, here it simply doesn't necessarily. Here it necessarily is not referring to Krishna or Shiva. It is referring to us mortals who want to become Yogeshwaras. Yeah.
Correct.
Sir, can I also ask a doubt? I know I'll take.
Okay, ask quickly, madam. Yes.
So that the Subhashitam only, which I was asking earlier, Tasyaha Paragata. But what I thought was, like Asha Nadi, Asha is Nadi, which is a female. So her river who has crossed, it will be Tasyaha Shashti Vibhakti, no?
Correct. That's what I said. Nadyaha. Nadyaha Paragataha.
Means it is Ekvachan Striling, right?
Yeah. Tasyaha. Satetaha. Tasyaha. Shashti Ekavachana.
And Paragata is, so that will also become female who has crossed the river.
No. You're jumping. You didn't hear me. Paragataha is Visheshana to Yogishwaraha. It is a Visarga Lopa there.
So, it is because then it is not given in the Sandhi. So it has to be a Visarga Lopa there, no?
I don't know about
Paragata Vishuddha Mana. So there is no.
Bagini, they have missed it. Visarga Lopa. It is Paragataha. They have missed it. If you see here, come here all the way. See here. Tasyaha Paragataha. See here, it is appearing.
Yeah, the meaning in the Anmayartham, it is given Paragataha. In the Hindi book, it is given Parangataha. So,
not too different. It's slight variation. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. So let's finish off reading this. We will give it a. I have given Madhukar no end of trouble, and his computer also troubled him in between. Let him finish off.
Shall I continue, sir?
Sir, please. Yeah.
Upavasam acharitavan.
So he tapah kritavan, upavasam acharitavan. Now he took up even upavasa. Upavasa means living without major food items, right? So he conducted some kind of a austerity that involves contained eating practices. Okay, continue.
Ekenaiva padena sthitva tapah kritavan.
Oh, okay. He stood on one leg and did the tapas karya. Okay.
Phalam jalam ityadikam sarvam tyaktva tapah acharitavan.
Extension of the Upavasa definition. He gave up all fruit, water, everything, and conducted his austerity.
Ghora tapasanena sarvatra tapas sanjatah.
Ghora tapasa anena. Ghora tapasa anena. So it's difficult to identify, but you see a Savarna Dirgha of Akara there. Okay. Ghora tapasa anena. By this extreme austerity of Arjuna, implicit there, sarvatra, everywhere, tapaha sanjataha, heat spread. Okay, the heat of his austerity practice spread everywhere. Continue.
Tapam asahamana munayah shiva samipam agachan.
All these other munis in the area who could not withstand that heat, okay, the fierce effect, influence of his tapas, they went to Shiva.
Tapat rakshitum prarthitavantah. So
they pleaded him, please protect us from this severe difficulty posed by his austere practice.
Shivo bhayam dattavan.
So Shiva gave assurance. Abhaya is assurance to them. Okay. Thanks, Maria.
Thank you.
Siddha Lakshmi, I think, has put her hand up, so let's give her a chance. Yeah. Siddha Lakshmi, yeah, please, you can read it, Bhagini. Oh, unable to hear you.
Can I read?
Who is this?
Can I read, sir?
No, I don't know. Somebody, Siddha Lakshmi is trying, so we are not able to hear her. I think Siddha Lakshmi Shastri. Okay, who was saying? Can I read?
Uma Ravichandran, sir. Ravichandran.
Okay.
Uma Ravichandran.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. What is the meaning of Shiva Bhayam Dattavanandra?
Shivaha Abhayam. I stopped explaining every Sandhi. Shivaha Abhayam.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Read, Bhagini.
Okay, sir. Mukaha idi kanchana danavaha varahu rupena sa तपोविघ्नं कृतवान्.
So there is a Rakshasa, Danava, by the name Muka. Varaha Rupena, in the form of a forest pig. Okay, wild pig, you can call it. Saha, he, Tapovignam, he created boar, correct translation. Tapovignam, the breaking of the tapas. Kritavan, he did. So tapo bangam, tapo vignam, like that. He created some disturbance for Arjuna in the form of a boar. Thank you. Next sentence.
Arjunaha kupitaha.
Arjuna became angry. One sentence, yeah.
Okay, sir. Varaham hantum mudyuttakaha.
Varaham hantum mudyuktaha. Udyuktaha.
Hantum mudyuttakaha.
Mudyuttaha. Udyuktaha.
Mudyuttaha.
Ktaha. Ktaha. Okay, Varaham hantum, to kill that boar. In order to kill that boar, Udyuktaha, he became engaged in that activity.
Tadaiva Shivaha Kirata Veshena Agatavan.
So Tadaiva Vriddhi Tada Eva Tada Eva, at that time indeed only Shivaha Kirata Veshena, in the form of a Kirata, in the form of a forest dweller. Agatavan. Hunter. Okay, he came.
Shivo Varahas Yopari Banam Shiptavan.
Shiva dropped or launched or something like that, a arrow upon the boar. Shot.
Arjunopi Tasmin Eva Samaye Banam Akshipat.
Even Arjuna at the very same time, Tasmin Eva. What has happened here? You guys recognize what is this?
Damudamaga.
Namudagama, not Damuda. Namudagama. Very good. Tasmin Eva, at that time only, Samaye, see, time is Samaye. Banam Akshipat. He also launched his arrow.
Bana Dvayam Varagasya Sharire Lagnam.
Both these arrows in the body of the Varaha. In the body. See how the grammar. Sharire Varahasya. So in the body of the boar got engaged. See, Banadvayam is an Ekavachana Shabda. Though it contains two objects, it converts it to Ekavachana. So Lagnam.
Varaho Mrutaha.
So this poor boar died.
Arjunaha Swasya Banam Netum Varahasya Samipam Agatavan.
Savarna Dirgha. So Arjuna, to take his own arrow of the boar near. So the nearness is the possession of the boar. This is our style. Varahke Samip me. Samip or Varahke Samip Agaya. So Agatavan. So that's thanks Bhagini. Thanks for closing it out. Looks like we have victory after so much of power trouble. So let us answer these few questions with the grace of Shiva, who is sitting there in prayer for us, for our welfare. So Indraha Kimartam Munivesham Drutavan.
Arjunasya
Pariksham Kartum Indraha Munivesham Drutavan. Yata Indrohamiti Tena na Gnayate Tata. That is all additional masala, so that the Arjuna doesn't realize it's Indra who has come. Okay. Vivekinaha Kim Ichanti. Samsarat Moksham Ichanti. Just Moksham Ichanti is also enough, but Moksha is always from Samsara. So Vivekinaha Samsarat Moksham Ichanti. Bharatiyaha. Bhagini. Indrakila Parvatah Kimartam Pavitraha.
In the bank.
I think I largely heard the correct answers. Ganga tire asti. Atah tasyaah samipye पर्वतः अपि पवित्रः. ఇంద్రకీల पर्वतः गङ्गायाः तीरे अस्ति इति पवित्रः. सः
దాంట్లో చూడు ఊరికే కోల్డ్ అంటున్నారు పాజిటివ్ అంటున్నారు.
1 minute, I'll mute everyone. So those of who are still active can unmute to answer. Arjunah kimartam indram आराधयितुम् इच्छति?
इन्द्रः क्षत्रियकुलस्य इष्टदेवः.
इष्टदेवः.
अतः अर्जुनः इन्द्रम् आराधयितुम् इच्छति.
Okay, that is one reason. The larger reason is he wants this Shakti for victory over Shatru. That also should come out. Okay, but it is enough to say this one thing. Indrah Kshatriya Kulasya Ishtadevah apicha Arjunah Yudhishthira Vyasabhyam taptum Agnaptah cha asit atah api Aradhayitum ichchati. He was directed by Yudhishthira and Vyasa. Okay. Don't worry about this black portion. I just added the more longish explanations. That's all. Munayah kimartam Shiva samipam agachan?
तापात् रक्षणं प्रार्थयितुम्.
तापात् रक्षणं प्रार्थयितुम्. Very good. So Arjunasya ghora tapasa tapagrastah munayah. I did some masala addition to munayah. Okay, rakshanam prarthayitum. Tapat should be the most important word there I am missing, but tapagrastha has explained that. Shiva samipam agachan. Very nice. You guys will all pass with 80 marks at least. Anvaya rachana.
The comment taptum is what there?
To taptum in order to burn. But where is taptum?
In your comment, vyasabhyam taptum agnaptah cha.
Tapasam kartum taptum.
Okay. Understood.
Not to burn, but to conduct the tapas. I have put it. I don't know how much confident of that kind of usage, but sometimes I go in little bold. If you are shy saying I may be having error here, error there, we will never move to the next level. So I just threw it in. It's okay.
So can I ask a doubt, sir?
Of course, always.
So that Lagnam Varaho Mritaha, that Lagnam, does it have anything to do with that Abhijit Lagna, any connection, or it is just Lagna is another word? That is another context totally?
No. Lagna simply means engage. Okay. Lagna, okay, we use this Lagna term in Jyotisha to mean a proper time for being engaged in some activity. That's why you say Lagna like that. Okay. So if you remember the Hindi word Lagana, that's simply that same thing, from that same thing. Okay, to be engaged in something. Okay, Sharire Lagnam means it got engaged in its body, like
that.
Embedded. Yes.
Mahodaya, Attava, single word or connect? Attava.
What?
Attava, Jivanam Parvatesmin Samapyami.
Athava is actually a avyaya. Instead.
Or single or ekam vakyam.
You can break it as athava, therefore instead, but you just take it as one avyaya, athava, or instead, like that. Okay.
Dhanyavad.
Okay, let us do the Anvaya Rachana section. We are not having too much happy progress today, thanks to my power situation, but it's holding steady, so let's keep going. Anvaya Rachana. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna, na cha rajyam sukhani cha, kim no rajyena Govinda, kim bhogair jivitena va. So lament of Arjuna continues. Arjuna Vishada Yoga is exemplified by this verse. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna, na cha rajyam sukhani cha, kim no rajyena Govinda, kim bhogair jivitena va. So, hey Krishna, okay, Vijayam aham na kangshe. Aham adhyaharanam. Vijayam aham na kangshe. Rajyam sukani cha aham na kangshe. Okay. Kim naha rajyena, he Govinda, kim naha rajyena, kim bogaihi jivitena va naha. Naha means of us. Okay. Asmakam naha. Like that. Okay. So, na kangshe vijayam. I just patience, Bhagini. Just patience. Let me close out the verse as I desire to close out the translation. Na kangshe vijayam. I do not desire the victory. Hey Krishna. Rajyam sukani cha na kangshe. The kingdom or the happinesses that ensue from ruling it also I do not desire. Aham na kangshe. Kim naha rajyena. Hey Govinda, another address for Krishna. Kim naha rajyena. What is there for us by this kingdom, due to this kingdom? Kim bhogaihi jivitena va. What is there for us with these various bhogas and the life with such bhogas? Okay, that is the intent. Vairagya, total vairagya, vishada. Okay, Bhagini, what was your question?
I wanted to the meaning of that kangshe, but you said desire, no, sir? Okay, that's all. I wanted only that, sir.
Yeah, kangsha, desire, benefit, this kind of thing. What is the benefit? What is our benefit? What is my benefit? Okay. Hey Krishna, Vijayam Rajyam Sukani cha aham na kangshe. Nag he Govinda, Rajyena naha asmakam kim prayojanam. Bhogaihi jivitena va naha kim prayojanam. This is how we can extend the Anvaya Vakya. Okay. So what are the sandhis? Naha, no, naha, visarga utva. Okay. Bhogaihi, bogair, visarga repa. Okay. So we saw that. I think that's about it. That's what they have also listed. Ukara and repa. Okay. It's very straightforward. So I do not seek either victory in the war or kingdom or even pleasures. O Govinda, of what avail? Avail. Kim no, naha. That's extended to what avail, what use is the kingdom, joys, or for that matter, our very life. This is beautiful. They have split this bogaihi jivitena in a beautiful sense. From boga karya, what is the use? Jivitena va kim prayojanam. Even by living, what is the what is the use after killing such people? That kind of inference. I like that. Okay. Vakya Vishleshanam kritam asti na kangshe. As usual, the negation is taken along with the kriyapada na kangshe. Okay. Krishna Sambodhanam aham adhyahrita kartrupadam karmapadam vijayam na kangshe. Okay. And kena they have put ... because that comes later under kim. Okay. And then they have extended that nakangshe to rajyam sukanicha. In fact, in the end, you can triple it the way they have done. If you wish, you can combine it off into one. Then kim asti. This kim itself, they have made it a kind of a kriya. Kim asti. Dhyahrita asti. Kim asti. What is there? That sense. Okay. Kya hai? Kya hai? It's a very, very Indian thing. Rajya se kya hai? I mean, what is there from the kingdom? It's not it doesn't give too much presence in English. But Rajya se kya hai has a lot of implication in all Indian languages. So that's what they have brought out. And then Kartrupadam is Prayojanam Adhyahritam Tadapi. Kim Prayojanam. So they have extended the Kriya sense with that Prayojanam for Laukika Jnana. Then Kena Rajyena Bogaihi Jivitena Va. All under that. And then again, you can list it all under one or split it like they have done. Okay. There are 4 sentences in the shloka. Na kangshe is the verb in the first sentence. The second sentence has only na. So the verb kangshe has to be taken there also. Okay. I mean, in this narajyam sukani cha kangshe. We did that already. In the third and fourth sentences, we find only kim, because kim like that. It actually means kim prayojanam asti. Prayojanam is the kartrupadam here. Okay, prayojanam asti. So the verb is asti. Both these words are supplied. Adhyahritam. Little far-fetched extension to get the meaning in a simple way. But most of us in Indian language, we know how to take that. We don't need that asti and all that. In Hindi, in Kannada, everywhere we speak like this. Ee rajyadinda namagenu, like that. In the rajyatinna yamakkenna, like that. I don't know, whatever pidli in Tamil I know, I tried to say. Okay. பிரயோஜனம் சொல்லாதே சொல்லணும் தமிழ்ல. பிரயோஜனம் சொல்லிட்டா
என்ன பயன்?
எண்ணம் போறோம் இல்லையா, ராஜ்யத்தின் எண்ணம், like that. So they have done the Akanksha extensions. You guys can look out for it. So we will move forward. So let us do this second verse also. 5-10 more minutes we'll take and take a break. Yeshamarte kankshitam no rajyam bhogaha sukani cha. Same thing almost. See, kanksha, rajya, bhoga, sukha. Same thing again repeated. He's extending what he has told earlier simply. Yeshamarte kankshitam no rajyam bhogaha sukani cha. Ta ime vastita yuddhe pranans tyaktva dhanani cha. Okay. येषाम अर्थे कांक्षितम नह idam rajyam bhogaha sukani cha. In whose, for whose sake, येषाम अर्थे, for whose sake this kingdom, these pleasures of life and happinesses are desired by us, nah kangshitam asti. Ta ime, this one is actually yantadesha yalopa. Te ime. Okay, te ime becomes te ime, yakara ikara ime, yakara lopa, so ta ime. Okay, so it's a one little difficult to identify because there is nothing like ta, you know, immediately there has to be some transform. So look for te ime, ta ime, ta ime, lopa. So yantadesha yalopa. Ta ime avastitaha yuddhe pranan tyaktva dhanani cha. So the very same people for whose sake we are desiring all this kingdom and such things, those very people, te ime, those very people, those these, wo hi, wo log hi, to ime avastitaha yuddhe, they are all arranged here in this war, pranan tyaktva, having given up their desire for life. I have not translated it as having given up their life. I mean, in the sense of they don't care for their life. It's not as if they are dead. Literally, they're ready to die. That sense. Pranan tyaktva dhananicha. They already were kings. They didn't need anything further. They have even given up their Aishwarya and come here to wage the war. Okay. For whose very sake we are trying to win? What is this paradox? In Arjuna's mind, there is a paradox. We are fighting our own brethren, which is the truth. Okay. So beautifully said by him. The color of this, the kaku in this verse is much better than earlier. Okay. So yesham arte samyoga kangshitam naha no utva visarga rajyam bhogaha sukanicha ta ime. So here we saw already yantadesha yalopa. So double sandhi there. Ime avastitaha. Purva Rupa Sandhi of the Akara, elision of the Akara in the presence of Ekara there. Lopa, Visarga Lopa, Avastitaha, Yuddhe Pranantyak. Pranans. So this one is a little tough one. Okay. Pranan Tyaktva, there is a Sakara and a Anuswara in the place of normal Nakara. Okay. Pranan tyaktva, suddenly we have removed the nakara and in its place put the anuswara. We can understand nakara going and anuswara coming, not a problem. Sakaragama, okay, is the new thing there. Okay, this is actually something not been taught to us. It's called Sattva Sandhi. Okay. But it's not Repa Visarga Anuswara Sakara. I don't know what I told. I think we have to refer to this Naschavya Prashant Sutra of Ashtadhyayi expert to understand this. Okay. Let me change the share. Just hold on a minute because it's of interest. I want to do this right. Stop sharing. Share window. This one. Okay. So we're looking at this Sandhi rule. Prashan iti shabdam varjayitva anyatra padanta nakarat parah samhitayam chatva chau varnah tasmat parah cha am varnah vidyate chet nakarasya rung adeshah bhavati. So there is a rung adesha. Okay. So it's a tough one. Very tough one. So actually see Bhavan Tishtati, Bhavans Tishtati. So similar one we are looking at. Of course, they have given the Chandrabindu version, Bhavans Tishtati. So you can go through this whole. So indeed, there is a Naschavya Prashan, then there is a Kara Visarjaniya generation, then the Sa replacement of the Visarjana. That means there is a process where there is an induction of a Visarga and removal of the Visarga through Sakara in the whole process. Tough one. Let's not go too deep because it's a little beyond our syllabus and ability this time. So we'll just be happy saying that, okay, there is some new thing there. Okay. So let me stop sharing that.
Sir, in this Navama Pataha, this Visargasya Sakaradeshaha is there. We are going to
that is fairly normal, but here there is no Visarga to begin with. Pranan Tyaktva. Right. So there is actually first is this Naschavya Prashan Nakarasya Parivartanam. Tadanantaram Tatra Visarga Anuswara of course because of that part of that Chandrabindu part.
Correct.
So Visarga Sakara we have understood, but we haven't understood this Naschavya Prashan part there. So it's a little beyond the syllabus right now.
Right. Okay.
That's why even I didn't go too detailed. I put a link there saying, okay, if there is a desire, people know how to look it up probably. Okay, that is the Paninian rule related to this Sandhi.
Thank you, sir.
And yeah. Those for whose sake we desire for this kingdom, comforts and joys are standing right here in this war, renouncing all their wealth and ready to give up their lives. Okay, guys. So Vakya Vishleshanam, Kankshitam. So the same Kankshe, that same thing is in a Kta Rupa, Kankshitam. Santi Asti. Rajyam Bhogaha Sukani Shata Kankshitam Asti. Yesham Arte. Actually, they should have split it. They have put it as one. Kim Nimittam Yesham Arte. For what reason? For whose purpose, like that. This is a little tough anvaya. It's not easy, this Vishleshana. These kind of things they haven't earlier taught, this Kim Nimittam, Kimartham. Can even put Kimartham like that there. Okay, Kimartham Yesham Arte. It's not exactly Tesham Arte. In whose purpose, like that sense is there. Okay. Okay, and then Avastitaha Te Ime. That we got it. Tyaktva Tvantam asti tyaktva iti pranan dhanani cha tyaktva teime avastitaha. That's the stack of the second one. Okay. Actually, it was easier to just do the anvaya by flow rather than do this classification. Is a little tougher actually. Okay, let's read what they have told. There are two. Yes, somebody is trying to say something. Okay, no problem. Okay, so there are two sentences here that are joined by correlatives yat tat yesham te. In that form, te ime. This is a commonly found usage in Sanskrit, adding style and charm to the expression. Okay, that those them, those these, those these, those these. It means all of them. They all. That sense. Okay, while referring to a thing or somebody who is well known or one that is under discussion, this kind of expression is employed. In this particular sentence, the word teime means those whom we all know very well. I mean, for whose sake we are fighting this war, that sense. Here are some more usages of this kind of phrase. Let us see that. Soyam balakah upastitah. That very boy is present, has come. Okay. Soham bravimi. That very me I am telling. Okay. Such a person I speak. Yeah. Ta ete maunena stitavantah. So here this is similar to taime. This is also having yalopa. So te ete maunena stitavantah. These are standing quietly. These persons who should have been speaking, they are standing quietly. Parliament situation. Soyam devah vanchitam phalam dadatu. That very God who is here, may he give us the fruit. That very God, not somebody else. Like that. Let that God bestow the desired result. Sa esha varta sarvatra prasruta. So it's enough normally to say esha varta sarvatra prasruta or sa varta sarvatra prasruta. So this sa esha technique, this technique they are explaining in different contexts here. I like this gem actually. This kind of teaching is a gem for us. Okay. So sa esha, that this, that which we intend, she. Okay, like that. ओके अन्वयरचना अन्वयवाक्यं पठामः अग्रे गमिष्यामः भवन्तः पठितुं शक्यते एतत् येषाम् अर्थे राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च नः काङ्क्षितं ते इमे एते प्राणान् धनानि च त्यक्त्वा युद्धे अवस्थिताः सन्ति इति अन्वयवाक्यं स्थापितुं शक्नुमः सो नः अस्माकं asmabhyam. So it comes in as a paryaya for both Shashti Bahuvachana and for Chaturthi Bahuvachana. So one is wanted for us, wanted of us. Either can be taken in the context. Okay, we will stop here. We will catch up with the last verse of the Anvaya Rachana in the afternoon and keep plowing ahead. Okay. So thank you. Sorry for the disturbances today. So beyond my physical ability to block. So have a nice lunch break and we'll gather back at 3 p.m. in good numbers. Thanks for attending in good numbers. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyawada Mahodaya.
3 o'clock. Let us join back.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.